All right, so yes, I'm doing another silver unboxing. Let's see what did I get today. And of course, I got these from APMEX. Now, the only reason I keep buying from APMEX, I'm gonna let you guys know why in a few. Guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community on its way to 10,000 strong. If you guys would like to help support this community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you guys do decide to join this community, I sincerely want to say thank you in advance. All right, so now we got all that out the way. Let's see, what did we get today? So we did get 5 ounce of 4/9 fine silver grains, or silver shots as I like to call them. And you see it says from APMEX. Now this is the main reason I like to buy from APMEX, because you see I have like pretty much 15 ounces of silver shots right here. Real beautiful. And the way I like to package this up is actually put it into on a scale and bag them all up. And I keep saying it so much, it's because I like to pour. I love to pour them. Right. Before we go, I do want to show some of the silver that I actually made with my silver shots. So I used about 15 ounces, all 15 ounces, and look what we have here. So first of all, these 4 on top is actually mirror finish, which took a little bit more time. Like you can actually see a reflection on there. It's real nice, and you can actually see the difference between this polish and this polish right here. Now I still got to clean them up, but I'm gonna have these all up on the website. All right, all these are going to be up on the website so you guys can see them. This one has that mirror finish, you can actually see all that one. This one is on the website as well. So guys, make sure you guys check out the ublife.com website so you guys can see what we have in stock. All these are in stock. And also the Urban Honey Pot right here, right there, real beautiful. This Urban Honey Pot, like the bottom has a mirror finish, but the top just has the regular finish, the regular polish to it. All right, now this is called the Urban Honey Pot Round. All right, also on the website. Let's see here. Now we also have bar number 71 with the mirror finish as well. Real nice. So this is on the website. And number round 22 with the mirror finish. Right there, beautiful. I like it. I like it. So now all those are on the website, all 4 of them. Now the prices may be a little bit more because it takes a long time to actually do the mirror finish. All right, but we also have just the regular ounces. Well, not the regular rounds. I mean, not the regular ounces, the regular silver itself. So we have round number 21, has a little bit of ripples on there. And this comes in, let's see, 2.1 troy ounces. We also have number 23, and this one comes in 2.5. We have bar number 72, and this one comes in 0.9 troy ounces, almost an ounce. Almost an ounce. Once I do these, I try to go for an ounce. All right, but I couldn't get an ounce in there. Okay. We also have bar number 69, and you guys can see the difference between the mirror finish and the regular one. You guys can see the difference. Is a huge difference on there. Okay, but this one comes in 1.9 troy ounces. So I didn't go over the ounces on there. They're on the website as well, but let me just go over them. This one is 2 ounces. This one is 2.1 troy ounces. This one is 1.9 troy ounces, and this one is 18 grams. All right, but these are on the site. That's pretty much all I have for you guys. And also, let's see what else I have in here. We have some mercury dimes. Let me see if there's anyone that looks good. I think this is about, I don't know how much came. I think it's 50. So we have 50 mercury dimes, and you guys know what I'm gonna do with them, right? You guys know what I'm gonna do. So it's for this game I like to play on Saturdays, typically Saturdays around like 8 or 9 o'clock p.m. Miami time, which is New York time. Like to collect them and give them away. All right, give them away for people who support the channel. Now I have 2 more coins left. All right, and I'm a Leo, so you know there's something about lions that I do love. Something about lions. All right, now this is the very first movie that ever made me cry as a kid. Lion King. This is one of the very first movies that ever made me cry. and I had to get it. I'm sorry, I had to get it. I love it. I had to get it. All right, this is gonna be a little bit personal to me right here. So we have the queen on the back, and we also have, is that Simba or Mufasa? I don't know. You guys comment down below, let me know. Looks real nice. This is 1 troy ounce. Let me see if I can read what it says on the bottom. It says 25th anniversary, all right? So I'm happy I got this one. And another line that I got, and you guys know, this is the John Wick right there. And I love this coin. Look at the details on this coin right here. Matter of fact, I gotta take this one out. Look at the details on this, the line itself. All right, don't look at my fingers. Don't look at my fingers. Let me move my fingers out of the way so you guys don't have to pay attention to that. But it looks real nice, all right? But the main reason I like it is because of the lion. I'm born in August, so I love the lion on there. All right, looks real nice. Looks beautiful. Love that line. So 2 lion themed coins right there. The Lion King and the John Wick coin. Looking right at each other. Looks like Simba's like, oh, you look good. Well, no, that's a male lion. Never mind. Anyways, I like it, but that's pretty much all I got. The silver shots, the mercury dimes, and these 2 coins right here. Guys, I want to know, did you guys get any silver this week? Comment down below, let me know. But guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. It really helps out with the algorithm. Have a beautiful day, and don't forget to always work and grind.